it's Gillian, and today's video I'm going to be doing another 100% honest slime review, and today's slime shop that I'm going to be reviewing is called Bubbly Slimes. So I was just on Etsy one day looking for new slimes and I came across this slime shop called Bubbly Slimes, and the slimes looked so cute, so I was super interested in trying them out, so I picked up a bunch and I'm going to review them today. I'm so excited to try out and review all these slimes today. I think it's time that we jump into the video, so let's get started. Up first, we just have the slime care pack, and in here are some slime care instructions and some borax and candy. So this first slime is an 8 ounce and it's a foam, and it's called Strawberry Cake Pop Foam, and it's got some bright pink foam beads as well as some white ones, and then it's got a really nice light pink base, and I really liked the scent of this one. It had a really nice sweet but subtle strawberry scent. This slime was also great for swirls and it had such a cool texture. Up next we have unicorn ice cream, and this is another 8 ounce slime, and I loved the colors in this slime, and I liked how they slightly mixed with each other to get new colors. So the pink and the blue made purple, and then there was also a green from the blue and yellow, so I liked that. And I also liked the unicorn colors, total unicorn vibes. The only thing is this slime is described as being a cloud slime, and I found it to be more of a maybe like a cloud dough or a cloud cream. It was really hard to get a good drizzle with this, and it also just felt super dense and kind of wet. I don't know if there just wasn't enough fake snow in there or what was going on, but it just, I don't know, I didn't love this slime. And also when it mixed, it went this gray purpley color, which always breaks my heart. I hate having to mix really pretty slimes because you can never get them back to how they were, but I don't know, this just wasn't one of my favorites. It was a very interesting texture. Up next we have Bubbly Rose Fishbowl Slime, and this is a 4 ounce, and first off I was just so impressed by how clear this slime was. It had such a crystal clear base, and I was just really impressed by that. And also what I liked about this slime is that it held on to all the fishbowl beads. It didn't drop any, which I liked. This was one of my favorite clear base slimes I think that I've ever tried from a slime shop. It was nice and stretchy and had great bubble pops. Up next we have Cookie Milk Slime, and this is a 4 ounce. Now I was a little bit disappointed with this slime. When I bought it from the Etsy shop, I just looked at the picture and it had some really cute cookie charms, which you guys know how much I like charms. I just think they make slime so much more fun. So when I first got this slime out, I was looking through it to try and find the charms, but there weren't any, and then I checked the website and it says that the slime doesn't come with charms. So it's just, I guess, a white glue-based slime. So there wasn't really anything special about this. I was kind of disappointed. It was just not very fun to play with. I don't know. I just wish it came with some little cookie charms or something to make the cookie milk make sense. I don't know. So up next we have Mickey Marshmallows, and this is the only slime that slightly leaked, but it wasn't anything too bad. Like, the slime was still fine. So this was actually an extra in my slime box. It just came as like a bonus, which I thought was really cool. I like this slime. I liked the texture of it. It's a blue-based glossy slime, and then it has some mini foam beads and some little foam pieces to be like the marshmallows. I really liked the texture of this slime, and it was just super cute, great for bubble pops, and this was definitely one of my favorites. Up next, we have another cloud slime, and this is Cotton Candy Napolitan, and as you can see here, it wasn't filled all the way. It was missing quite a bit of slime, and this is the first time I've actually ever had this problem from buying slime from a slime shop. So this is supposed to be 3 colors, blue, white, and pink, but mine came a little bit mixed, which is fine due to shipping. So this is, again, supposed to be a cloud slime, but just like the other one, it feels a bit dense and a bit wet, and it's kind of hard to get a really good drizzle, but I did really like the colors. It was really pastel and pretty, and I loved mixing it. And then once it was mixed, it was a really nice lilac color, but it definitely doesn't feel like a cloud slime. It definitely feels more like a cloud cream. It's just not light and fluffy, no matter how much you like tug at it to try and like get that really awesome snow drizzle effect. As you can see here, it's just more like a dough. Still a nice texture, but I don't know, I was just a little bit disappointed with this slime. Up next, we have Spring Fling Crunch, and this is a 6 ounce, and I loved the different colors of foam beads that they used. This to me felt like a half foam texture. It had a nice glossy base, and it was a really pale yellow, so total spring vibes. I really like this slime. It was great for bubble pops and stretching, and I just had a lot of fun playing with it. Up next, we have Unicorn Hot Chocolate, and this is an 8 ounce slime, and this is similar to the Mickey Marshmallows slime, like the same kind of concept. So this one is a really pretty light pink base, and then it has some colorful small foam beads, and then again these little white foam pieces to act like the marshmallows. And just like with the Mickey Marshmallows slime, I really liked the texture of this. It was great for bubble pops, great for stretching. It also had a really nice light sweet like hot chocolate scent, which I thought went perfect with the slime. So that is my full slime review on Debbie Slimes. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you're looking for something else to watch, I will make sure to leave another one of my slime review videos linked right over here, and I definitely think you should check that out because I know you'll love it. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you click the red subscribe button before you leave so you can always see when I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you all in my next video.